Kwoyero ngono avunaaniwe emisango egiwerako omuli okutta abantu ab'omu mambuka ga nnyaffe Uganda, kuyingiza abaana mu buyeekera n'emisango emirala. Azzeemu okulabikako mu kkooti enkulu mu Kampala ewozesa emisango egy'abakalintalo mu maaso g'omulamuzi Susan Okalanyi, nga kizuuliddwa nga bannamateeka ba Kwoyero bwe bamwabulira nga kati asigazza bannamateeka ba gavumenti be yamuwa omwenne munnamateeka Nicholas Opio gw'abadde ayagala okumuwolereza, wabula nga kizuuse ng'ono bwe yawandiika ebbaluwa eraga nga bw'atali mwetegefu kugenda maaso na kuwolereza Kwoyero.
I'm sorry to say that they were not here the last time and even the previous time. So this court has served 3 times without your lawyers. And every time they are served, they are the only ones that don't receive service. But the rest of the team, the victim counsel, Mr. Kwetta, the prosecution, are aware of the hearing date, except the lawyers that you have on private leave. That means they have left you alone.
Wabula omulamuzi Susan amukkiriza okufuna bannamateeka abalala bayagala awamu n'okulambikibwa ku misango egy'okumuggulwako emijja. Kwoyero wabula alaze obutali bumativu eri bannamateeka be awamu n'oludda oluwaabi.
That my concern is that if they are prosecuting me, they should put me into the know. They should serve me all the papers so that I get to know what is going on. Up to now, I am not aware of anything.
Omulamuzi Susan Okalanyi afulumizza ebiragiro ebijja era omusango n'agongezaayo okutuusa ng'ennaku z'omwezi 23 omwezi ogujja ogw'omusanvu.
The ICD shall make arrangements to send an actually interpreter to Luzira prisons to translate the proposed amended indictment of the prosecution to the accused person, and in that regard she will work with Mr. Dalton Okonya, who is the lawyer currently present here, to ensure that the relevant paperwork, whatever paperwork is necessary, is given or served upon the accused person and translated in Acholi. In line with Rule 12, Sub-Rule 3 of the ICD rules, the prosecution is required to prepare skeleton submissions, since the pre-trial hearing will be by submissions.
Munnamateeka wa Kwoyero Charles Dalton Oponya ayogedde ku mbeera y'omuntu we omuli n'okwagala okwejja mu nsi eno.
But we talked to him and said there's light at the end of the tunnel, and we can see it. This August or October, September, August to October, the trial must begin. And we know we shall win, because he's the victim himself. He was abducted in P3, so he needs reparations himself. It's a very sad thing, of course. But he's convinced. Don't go along with this thing of suicide. He's not going to commit suicide. Huh? He has accepted to live on and defeat the system.
Isa Chigongo, Kulwa, Channel 44, Oleguro.